These unbelievable Titanoboa encounters you've likely never seen before will leave you speechless. The Amazon River shadow. Deep in the Amazon, the river flows dark and silent, broken only by the occasional splash of a fish or the call of a distant bird. But in 2019, local fishermen noticed something unusual. A massive shadow moved beneath the surface, stretching far longer than any anaconda he had ever seen. The water actually bubbled violently, churning as if something enormous had just passed. Heart pounding, he watched the surface kind of ripple, the shadow disappearing as suddenly as it had appeared. Later, scientists visited the same stretch of river and found tracks along the riverbank that were simply astonishing, wide and deep, too large to belong to any modern snake. Now, they hinted at a creature powerful enough to crush large prey with a single constriction. Could this have been a surviving Titanoboa, gliding silently beneath the waters of the Amazon, hunting unseen in the night? The drone discovery and the canopy. Now in 2021, a team of researchers launched drones to explore the dense rainforest canopy. Their mission, well, to document wildlife that humans rarely see. As one drone hovered over a clearing, its camera captured something impossible. A long coiling shape stretched beneath the water, twisting and uncoiling with a fluid, terrifying precision. Now, the footage was a little grainy, but pretty clear, and the size was unmistakable, far larger than any known snake today. Its body moved with the strength and grace of a predator that had evolved for hunting giant prey. Now, experts analyzing the video noted the pattern of the coils could only belong to a creature of prehistoric proportions. Now, the possibility that Titanoboa or close descendants still slithers through the rainforest canopy sparked excitement and fear. For a few seconds on that screen, a legend seemed real again. Nighttime thermal tracking. Now in 2023, scientists took to the remote Amazon at night equipped with thermal imaging cameras. Now the jungle was alive with heat signatures, small mammals scurrying, birds, roosting, and reptiles basking in residual warmth. Then something caught their eye, a massive elongated heat signature moving deliberately along a riverbank. Now the size of the heat signature was staggering, larger than any anacondas they'd had ever recorded. The team investigated and discovered shed skins nearby, gigantic and thick, unlike any snake documented in modern times. Footprints suggested a predator capable of ambushing large prey. Now, for hours, they kind of tracked the movements, and you can see, on the clip that there looks to be a lot of them, but the creatures remained elusive, kind of vanishing into the undergrowth like a ghost. Now, this encounter kind of left the scientists shaken, but also fascinated. The evidence suggested something enormous and powerful still prowled the Amazon at night, unseen by human eyes. So the Amazon rainforest, remains one of the least explored regions on Earth. Hidden rivers, dense canopies and isolated pockets of wilderness could easily conceal a creature thought extinct. The Titanoboa's legend, once, confined to fossils and textbooks, now lives on in the eyewitness